Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Neat Notes. Today we'll study morphology of earthworm. So let's start. Earthworm belong to phylum Annelida, class Oligochaeta. Oligo means few and chaeta means locomotory structure. So basically few locomotory structure. Genus is Pheretima. Species which is most commonly found in India is posthuma, but please note there are over more than 500 species. The common genus is Pheretima and lumbricus. One more cell that is called lumbricus. Whole body of earthworm is divided in about 100 to 120 segments. Now we'll see how these structures look like. So this is the structure of earthworm. Anterior portion is called prostomium. 14th to 16th segment is not segmented at all and it is called cytellum, and all other alnus rings or grooves or segments, and these segments are similar, so it shows the property of metamerism. Okay, dorsal part is called anus. Now we'll see mouth part, ventral view. This is actually the ventral view of mouth. First part is called peristonium, and the part which covers mouth part, peristonium is the mouth, and this part which covers the mouth is called prostomium. Okay, prostomium is a sensory structure as well as it help in burrowing the soil. Earthworm is reddish brown in color, which is basically due to a pigment which is called porphyrin. Okay, on ventral surface there is presence of genital pores in anterior, and it is it terminates to mouth and prostomium. You have already studied prostomium is a sensory structure and it serves as a covering of mouth. In mature earthworm, from 14th to 16th segment are covered by a prominent dark band of glandular tissue called cytellum. So now let's see what are cytellum and where they are, how they look, all these things. So this is the whole structure of earthworm. So cytellum is this part which don't have segments. This part lie in between 14th to 16th segment. Please note that 14th and 16th segment. Anterior part is called prostiunum and dorsal part is called anus, and whole part has many segments or alnus rings. Each segment is called setae. Okay. In ventral view of mouth, you can see first segment is called peristonium, this one, and anterior part is called prostiunum, which serves as the covering of the mouth. Whole body of cockroach is basically divided into three parts, three set of segments, which are called periclytellar segments, clitellar segments, and postclitellar segments. Four pair of spermatical apertures are situated on the ventrolateral side of the intersegmental grooves that is from fifth segment to ninth segment. Let's see how they are arranged. So this is a diagram of spermatical pores, and they are located from in between fifth and sixth and seventh, in between seventh and eighth, in between ninth, in between eighth and ninth. So these are one, two, three, four pairs, and they are located in between 5 and 6, in between 6 and 7, in between 7 and 8, in between 8 and 9. Okay, now we'll see how male and female genital pores are arranged and where they are present in which segments and all. So in between the 14th segment, in the ventral line of 14th segment, in case of female there is a single genital pore. Okay, in 18th segment there is one pair of male genital pore. In 17th and 19th segment there is one pair of genital papilla. We'll study the detail of these parts later in anatomy part. Now we'll study next kind of pore, that is nephridiopore. These are present in segment third to the last. Okay. After that, dorsal pore. These are present in between 12th and 13th segment, or the middle of 12th and 13th segment. Now we'll see next structure of earthworm, that is setae. These are basically S-shaped structure and these are absent in first segment, last and clitular segments. Okay. So what is the function of setae? Function of setae is locomotion. They help in locomotion. So this was the morphology of earthworm. In the next lecture we'll study anatomy of earthworm. Thank you for watching.